What if I told you that one of the most feature-packed smartwatches of the year costs less than $22? No, this isn't a scam, and no, it's not from a brand you've never heard of. Meet the Zeblaze GTS4, an ultra-budget watch that somehow brings AMOLED visuals, Bluetooth calling, and a rotating crown, all for pocket change. But is it too good to be true? Let's find out. Today, we're breaking down everything this tiny price tag actually gets you, and the compromises Zeblaze doesn't want you to think about. Let's dive in. First impressions? Surprisingly premium. The GTS4 sports a 1.94-inch AMOLED display with a sharp 466 by 466 resolution. At this price, AMOLED is almost unheard of. Colors pop, text is crisp, and brightness is strong enough for outdoor use. A functional rotating crown adds a touch of smartwatch luxury, making navigation smoother than the usual tap-only budget alternatives. On the feature side, the GTS4 aims high. You get over 100 workout modes, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, and sleep analysis. It even works as a Bluetooth speakerphone, letting you answer calls right from your wrist. However, there's a catch. There's no built-in GPS. That means any serious distance tracking, running, cycling, hiking, must be tethered to your smartphone. For casual fitness users, this won't matter. For athletes, it might be a deal breaker. Battery life looks respectable. Zeblaze claims around 1 week of normal use. Heavy usage pushes that down to about 5 days, but enabling the battery-saving mode can stretch it to nearly 2 weeks. Now, let's talk about the price again. Yes, the GTS4 is just $21.99 on pre-order, but that low price tag comes with strings attached. Shipping times can be lengthy, multiple weeks in some regions. Warranty support may also be limited or difficult to pursue, which isn't surprising in this price category. Still, if you're buying this watch for experimentation, a backup device, or simply for everyday convenience, the value is undeniably strong. So, is the Zeblaze GTS4 the budget smartwatch deal of the year? For most people, absolutely. For fitness purists or those wanting premium reliability, maybe not. But at $22, it's hard to not be impressed. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest tech insights that cut through the hype.